Hello people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix you cannot use your Facebook. So first of all, go to your Play Store and search for Facebook, and you need to update your Facebook if it's not updated. So I've already updated my Facebook app. After that, go for settings, go for apps and notification, go to Facebook, then go for storage and cache. After that, you need to clear your cache. Go back, go to permissions. Now you have to allow all these things, allow contacts, calendar, all your not allowed things. Then go back, then go to your Facebook. So, if it's still not working, then maybe Facebook server is down. Wait for fix it from Facebook support. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.